Hey family and friends, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today we are cooking smothered pork chop. Yes, honey. I'm hear me smothered pork. This is the first you guys going to see pork on my channel, which we do not consume a lot of. Now these are some pork chops. They're thinly sliced. A long time I'm not hear my voice now on video, don't it? I miss my voice like that. So let's get into the seasoning. Right here I have a teaspoon. That's all it is, y'all. I'm gonna come in with the measurements, sis, come through. And I have some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, my Jamaican seasoning blend, and this is the Knorr. Now I do not have any salt. Because we're going to continue to cook, I'm going to add some more seasoning. I don't want to over salt my pot because nobody not eat canned food unless a canned pork, and this on a hit. This on a seasoning for it. So let me mix all this up. And I hope you guys are doing well. We're doing well here in Florida. Rain, hurricane season, honey. But we got to make the best of it. So we're going to sprinkle on. Make sure we get these nice and seasoned. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Family is doing wonderful. And yes, yeah, get this rubbed in. Yes, so get this all seasoned nice and good. Get the season worked in. And this is going to sit for about 20 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes right now, because it's like always, me start early enough, so I'm not feel a rush. And then when you rush to cook your food sometime, no sir, no pasta. So I'm gonna get this rubbed in. You have to massage it. You have to massage it in it. See me I say massage, and the massage. Don't over, not do it too much. Right, that's so perfect. Perfect. Let me get whatever left in this. Just like that, right? So I make it sit on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay family, I am back, and this thing has been marinating. Instead of 30 minutes, it ended up being an hour. So I'll say tingo. So let's get started. Let's put this in here. I don't want to get too hot. So let's get these seared off. Okay. I swear, this stove here, I know my friend. Not one bit. This stove is not my friend, but and then while this is going, I already have here one whole onion cut up. And excuse the noise out the door. One whole onion cut up, and then I have some flour here that I'm going to no. Okay family, so let's go ahead and turn this. I don't want it to be too dry, but I want it holding one. You understand what I say? So let's go ahead and flip this over. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Then go ahead and flip the next one. Look how beautiful those look. That is a perfect sear for these. Alright, family, I'm gonna sweat the onion them now. Just a whole onion, I just cut like that. I'm just trying to get them sweat. Let me turn this down. Just so that's the same, but I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken stock to this to keep and flaring up so much like that. Cause it's so let's say in here go on with things. So here, turn down my stove anyway. Okay, just to help some of that to calm down. So now I go in with the flour. I'm going in now with the flour. And I'm going in with 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. Right. So like the roux. I know people call it back in the days. I mean, they still do the roux. So I think it's best if I use this burner because my hand not in the way. My hand is not in the way when I'm on this side. Going in with some water. And I'm just mashing out the flour that clumped up. Alright, like this. You need to mash out that. And I'm going to taste this. It needs seasoning. Tastes good, but it needs seasoning. Not that bad. So let's sprinkle some of the seasoning that I made before. I had some left over. So let's sprinkle that on there. Let's it again. Just a little bit more. We just have to keep on, you know, check and adjust, check and adjust. That's all we have to do. I swear the burner, you act like some unruly child. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put these chops back in. Alright, and then we have one more to go somewhere else. So let me move on a little bit. Alright, so I'm put that one aside. Right, oh, don't forget this, you know. Don't forget this. This are all our juices. Hello. Put that right in there. You put that right in there, honey. I left out nothing. Don't you dare. So, yeah, make all of this. I'm gonna cover this up now. Let all of this come together. And then we'll come back again and I'm going to taste. I'm gonna cover this up and just let it go. Okay? And then we'll come back and taste. So while it's covered, it's still get a little water, little, you know, water, steam and everything. So I'll be back. Okay, family, let's check this. I haven't checked this since the last time. So we'll check this now. And we're rotating because since in the bottom, so behind this one, the on top, just like that. Pardon the mic. I'll move him to the top, just like that. Just, it's, look how thick that gravy look. Nice, that is beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now I'm gonna give this some more time. Let's still make it go and cook. Cause it's nice supposed to cook gravy nice and thick. It smell good around here. Cause that's how we do, you know. Smell good and eat good food. Let me taste the gravy. Yes, party. And that me I talk about right there, so just making one. Just yeah, I'm a mess. I'm a mess of my own self, and I can admit that I am a mess. But make that one. Someone want it. It's exactly how I want it to taste. So right now, I'm gonna let it go for another about 20 minutes or something. I don't want it too tough either, you know. But I'm gonna let it go, and then I'm working on my side. All right, family. Here you go. That is it. My family, that is it. Look at that. A nice thick gravy. Beautiful chops. I turned the stove down, the burner down. Quite a while now. I was getting everything else done for dinner. So yeah, dinner kind of late. No, not late. Still up on good time. Still I meet me my deadline. Yes, still I meet my deadline, family. So that is it. So the next time you guys see me, yeah, I will be plating, not too much oil, because you really need a little bit, not too much. So next time you see me, I will be plating. Okay, family and friends, and also visitors, thank you for coming. Dinner is served. You have your beautiful piece of pork chop, and you guys probably wondering what I paired it with. I paired it with some mashed potato and corn on the cob. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and also that like button. And until next time, please don't be a stranger, honey. Stop by anytime. If you have a request that you'd like for me to do, please let me know. And until then, please be safe. Bye.